We've made it through the break-in period on our 2023 Polaris RZR XP 1000, and it is time to replace the air filter. These are easy to replace, and we're going to show how to do that now. Step 1, purchase your Polaris brand air filter from your nearest Polaris dealer or order it online. Step 2, open the access panel. If you're short like me, you climb into the bed of the vehicle so that you can work on it. Undo the 4 clamps. Now the instructions say to inspect the filter. We're not even going to inspect it. We like to play it safe. So this filter has been in here for 290 miles of action. We're going to remove it and replace it. Okay, we're gonna wipe clean this surface, and then we're gonna wipe inside the tube. We don't see any dirt, so we know the filter is working. Unboxing the new air filter. There's the brand new filter. Now we can see that Polaris put some grease inside here, but in our opinion, it's not enough, so we're going to put more. We have this grease that we use, and grease provides or helps to seal mating surfaces, sealing surfaces. And so we are going to put extra in here because it makes us feel better and it gives us peace of mind. Now we are going to install the new filter like this. All right, now we're gonna see if we can get this cover back on. It looks like it could be just a hair tricky. There are tabs down there that it has to go in. See these tabs? So those tabs have to go into these 2 places. So we're gonna see if we can get those in. That's tricky because you can't see them. Okay, that time it actually looks and feels like it went on how it's supposed to. Okay, that one locked in place. That one locked in place, as did that one and that one. Okay, so there's 4 tabs that have a male and a female piece, top and bottom, that you have to get in order for this lid to seat and seal up correctly. And now we will put the cover, access panel lid cover, back in place. Dunskies. Fresh air will be breathed by this angry 1000cc parallel twin. If I was as tall as Jeremy, it would be easier.
But you're not.
No.